We're back in court, and apparently the sequel comes with a Moorish upgrade.
Have you any idea how successful censorship is on TV? Don't know the answer? Successful, isn't it?
Now, before we jump into things, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. It helps the algorithm, it costs you nothing, and it prevents YouTube from making decisions without you. Welcome to Facts or Frauds. This time we're in Michigan with Sovereign Simpson, now adding Bay to his name because when facts don't cooperate, a rebrand feels productive. Both hearings are right here in this episode with timestamps so you don't have to go hunting for anything. Let's watch.
Mr. Simpson back, I presume.
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Simpson, can you hear me? Mr. Simpson?
I go by Matthew Aaron Simpson. The person that you're speaking on, I don't recognize.
You go by Matthew Simpson, correct?
I go by Matthew Aaron Simpson, but the name that you're speaking on behalf of, I don't recognize.
Name that I'm speaking of on behalf of.
Yes, I'm the executor of the Legis.
Oh, you are.
I'm the agent majority. I'm not a minor. I'm competent. And I would like to declare that I, Matthew Aaron Simpson, would like to state on oath, on the record, that I am declaring a national non-citizen.
Well, your status as a citizen is not really central to these events that bring us here. What brings us here is the fact that you owe money to the court for two different matters, one from 2022, the other from 2024, a total $480. I'm going to recall the warrant for your arrest. How did you come to be arrested?
I don't recognize.
Who brought you to the jail?
I don't recognize.
Your Honor, if I may, I'm appointed this morning for arraignment purposes only, and I know that Mr. Simpson does not wish me to represent him, and obviously that's up to him. But I will let the court know that I did check the inmate screen, and it looks like the 44th District Court is the only matter holding him currently. And he also has a warrant out of Grosse Pointe Farms for a traffic arrest, but this is the only thing in Oakland County, it appears.
Thank you. Well, Mr. Simpson, it really doesn't matter what you recognize or don't recognize, because you're dealing with the power of the government, whether you recognize that government or not. So what we have to do here is figure out how to negotiate a path for you, whether you recognize the power or not. And the fact that you owe this money to the court appears to be the only thing keeping you in jail. It is not the intent of the court to have you be in jail for $480.
I understand that according to...
Where do you stay now, sir?
On Earth.
Where do you stay?
On Earth.
On Earth. You have a particular spot on Earth?
No.
Do you have any spot that you have mail sent where you can get mail that's addressed to you?
I don't recognize.
Mr. Simpson, you're not making this easy on yourself. You're creating difficulty for yourself.
I don't have a...
Where do you get your mail?
I don't have a place of residence.
Where do you get your mail?
I don't...
Who feeds you?
Who feeds me?
Yeah, who feeds you? When you're not in jail, how do you eat?
I put food in my mouth.
Okay. Where do you get the food?
Earth.
Do you have employment?
I don't recognize.
Does anybody pay you for working for them?
I don't recognize.
Well, you recognize the fact that you're behind bars now, do you not?
I don't recognize.
Reset the show cause, and the bond is $480 cash.
I don't recognize.
You can recognize or not. It doesn't change the fact that you're not going to get out of jail until $480 has been paid on your behalf. Whether you recognize that authority or not, it's happening.
I'm an executor of Matthew.
You can be an executor, or you can be an executor. It doesn't matter. There's $480 needs to be on the table before you're released. We're done.
I would like to put that into my foreign trust.
You can do whatever you like, sir. Have a good day.
Okay. I don't recognize.
I don't either.
Okay, sir, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with your attorney.
Excuse me, I want to fire the attorney. I don't want an attorney.
I can place on the record Oak Park, but he declined my representation.
Okay, thank you. Just kind of hang on and listen in, counsel. I appreciate that.
That's fine. I'll just place on the record, though, if you'll allow.
Sure, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, calling case. Ticket number Tom King Tom 26 Ocean Paul 00014 in the matter of Matthew Aaron Simpson II. Counsel appearance for the record, please.
Hi, good morning. For the record, Patrick Agnick. I'm here as MIDC counsel. I appear on behalf of the county jail. I did speak in private to Mr. Simpson just now. I indicated that he does have a right to speak with a lawyer. Mr. Simpson indicated that he did not wish to speak with me. Mr. Simpson, you don't care to speak with me, is that correct?
I don't want you on this case.
Understood. So the court's willing to accept his waiver. I'll let him speak directly to the court.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Simpson, would you state your name for the record, please?
I am here in the special appearance. As
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm getting to the Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm here in the special appearance. Living flesh and man. God's son. I go by Matthew Aaron Simpson II Bay. I am competent. I am the age of majority. I am not contract. I do not contract. I'm not that person that you're trying to get me to contract with. So Matthew Aaron Simpson II, I am not him.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And I also would like to say this. I am trust property as well as my car. So I would like this to be, I'm petitioning for this to be seen in equity court because it's trust law.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
No problem.
Hey, Your Honor, can I ask you a question?
Well, give me a second here. Let me go. I got to go through a few things first, and then we'll get to that. So I have to at least set a bond in this matter. Give me 1 second here.
When you set a bond, the bond is a contract.
Yeah, I haven't gotten anything yet. So hold on 1 second. I appreciate it. Okay, detectives, are you there? And counsel?
Sergeant Kerrigan, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the charges are resisting and obstructing, which is a violation of Michigan Compiled Law 750.881D. Here's a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail, possible fines of up to $500. A littering charge under MCL 324.8903 carries a possible fine of up to $10,000. Court's going to enter not guilty on your behalf. There's also a driver's license matter before the court, which is under 257.301, carries a maximum penalty of up to 90 days jail, fine of $100 on that as well. Court's going to set bond in the amount of $1,000 cash surety, no 10%. Court will also order that I'm not quite sure. The defendant has not indicated that his name is Matthew Aaron Simpson II. So the court's going to order that fingerprints be ordered prior to the defendant's release on this matter. Sir, do you understand your bond conditions? You also should not drive a vehicle without proper license. Do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of this court. Personally appear for all your court appearances and pick up no new criminal offenses. I have granted court-appointed counsel for you if you should decide you want one later on in the future. Just make sure no driving without license, no insurance, and no plate. You must have those things on your vehicle. Other than that, sir, do you understand your bond conditions?
I don't understand.
Okay. Yeah, it's $1,000 cash surety, no bond, and you were required to take your fingerprints prior to being released. So we know who you are for sure. Other than that, detectives, I'm all set.
All right, Your Honor, real quick, Sergeant Kerrigan, if I can. If he refuses to continue to go along with the program and our booking process of fingerprints, is he being ordered to remand to the county?
Yes, because I've ordered that his fingerprints, prior to his release, his fingerprints needs to be taken. He refuses to advise the court who he is for sure. We need to know exactly who he is. So that it may require that his fingerprints be taken. So until his fingerprints are taken, he cannot be released.
Okay, then he'll be remanded to the county then, Your Honor, if he does not go along.
That's
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wait, quick question. Your Honor.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second here.
You can't fix stupid.
Quick recap. Sovereign Simpson refuses to do standard booking procedures like fingerprinting. The judge is pretty clear. No fingerprints, no release. Then comes the part that matters. Even after fingerprinting, there's no 10%. This is full bond only, paid in full. No magic words, no sovereign shortcuts, just consequences. If this kind of breakdown helps cut through the noise, those emotional support buttons for YouTube matter. So like, subscribe, and make sure you comment and let me know what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. Your support allows this channel to stay focused on the facts and not the outrage, and I appreciate you all. Now here's the lesson. You can change your name, you can add titles, you can declare yourself whatever sounds impressive, but none of that outruns fingerprints, bond amounts, or a judge with a calendar. Courts don't care about rebrands, they care about compliance. Until next time, I'll see you soon.